Hi, my name is Paul Piskosz and I am pre-sales engineer at Storware. During this session I'm going to cover what change has been made in Storware Backup and Recovery 5.1 in case of backup, but what is more important here, in case of restore virtual machines on RHV. So let's dive into it. So let's log into Storware Backup and Recovery. If we talk about protection of RHV, firstly you need to add RHV in our solution. Where and how to do it? Virtual environments and infrastructure. Then select Hypervisor Manager and use Create button. Now you need to, from the list, select RHV version 4 and provide several information like URL, admin, in this case username, in this case admin, and password. Then you need to select the proper strategy for your environment. In my case will be disk image transfer, and you can save a configuration. I already did that and already backup my single VM. So let me find this one. I'm going to use filters over there with RHV, and my test subject is already backed to date. So let's try do a restore. Restore to Hypervisor Manager. So changes. Disk customization layout will be better if I use here the default one, and now you can select where you want to restore specific disk or disks. You can change allocation format or even change a name of restored disk. Second one, instant restore. Yeah, it's here. So what you can achieve here? Speed up a process of restoration. To be specific, RTO is much shorter. How it works? First, you can restore directly into our node and start virtual machine from temporary space, or even you can use live migration, select the proper disk and use a restore button. Now it's your turn. You can update your Storware Backup and Recovery to version 5.1. If you need help, contact our support and visit our website at storware.eu. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.